Sometimes in life you feel so below, but someone somewhere is not as happy as you. Far at the border, when a soldier sleeps, missing his loved ones, he silently weeps. Somewhere a mother painfully sighs because her newborn baby did not open the eyes. Somewhere a poor dad silently cries, seeing his son begging a bowl of rice. In an orphanage, a little girl is sad when she misses her mom and dad. When reason to smile you may not have any, just say to yourself that you are happier than many. Because life is beautiful and not always blue. And someone somewhere is not as happy as you. So always be thankful to God for what you have.